M17, M23, M40 and M58 connectivity. The challenge industrial automation had some years ago was to find a way of connecting high-power devices with strong IP ratings. Original connectors used were from military applications, i.e., mil-spec 5015 and subsequent specifications. Although capable of providing the current, voltage and IP ratings, these were deemed as too expensive for industrial applications. Typically, these connectors were used to provide an industrial plug-and-play connection between a motor in the machine envelope and the drive in the cabinet. This could consist of power, brake and encoder resolver connectors, with the correct cabling associated for the application for static, fixed installation, or high-flexing, drag chain. A new solution was found using metric threads, which gave the same or better integrity of the mil-spec connectors but lower in cost. These are typically available from several connector manufacturers known as M17, M23, M40 and M58 industrial connectors, and widely used by most manufacturers of motors and drives in the automation industry. The technology in the drives and motors continues to develop, changing from analog encoder resolver controls to digital, resulting in changes in the connectivity from two or more connectors to one, and the launch of one cable technology. Cable and connector materials have advanced too, now having higher insulation properties, reducing the size of the cable and that of the connectors. So what originally used an M23 connector, now may be using an M17, or more recently an M12 connector. Dependent on the servo drive manufacturer, the digital communication element inside the cable will be different, so the original concept was hyperface DSL interface, and more recently, Ethernet construction being adopted. Users of the motors and drives now face the difficulty to assemble the connectors correctly, and don't always have the necessary tools, which are expensive, to terminate the cable to the connectors, producing a much higher risk of wrong connections, resulting in error codes or damage to the drives. At Lutze we specialize in providing the correct connectivity for your application, whether it's a standard Siemens, Rockwell, Allen Bradley, Beckhoff or Rexroth, to a complete bespoke solution. We can help with your requirements. Lutze products are available from our authorized distributors. If you need technical assistance on your connectivity, please contact Lutze on 01827 313330 or email sales.gb@lutze.co.uk. For more information visit www.lutze.co.uk.